Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on an Xbox controller. This setup can significantly enhance your gameplay, offering improved precision and comfort over standard touch controls. You will learn everything from securely connecting your controller to customizing your button layout for optimal performance. Get ready to dominate the arena with a professional gaming setup in your hands. Before we begin, gather your essentials for a seamless setup. You will need an Xbox wireless controller, like a Series X or S model, which offers robust Bluetooth connectivity. Make sure your smartphone or tablet supports Bluetooth 5.0 or higher for the best connection. Additionally, a trusted key mapping application is crucial for customizing your controls effectively. Connecting your Xbox controller to your mobile device is straightforward. First, ensure your controller has sufficient battery life to prevent any mid-game disconnections. Next, open your phone settings and activate Bluetooth there. Press and hold the pairing button on your Xbox controller until the Xbox logo flashes rapidly, showing it's ready to connect. Then, simply select your controller from the available devices on your screen. Now, let's customize your controls using a key mapping app. Download a reliable one, like Panda Gamepad Pro, from your App Store. Open Brawl Stars directly through this mapping application to activate its overlay. You can then drag virtual buttons from the app interface onto the on-screen game controls. Assign movement to your left stick, aiming to your right, and critical actions like shooting and supers to your preferred face buttons for intuitive play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.